friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make chicken korma. It is very rich and delicious dish. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's see what we need for this. Here I have 1 pound chicken. I already cleaned and washed it. Keura water, ghee. I will make with mustard oil. You can use vegetable oil. 1 medium size finely chopped onion. 1 large size onion dice, some of cashew nuts, bay leaves, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, black cardamom, star anise, mace, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 medium size tomato paste, 2/3 cup yogurt, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. We'll take some turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt to marinate the chicken. So let's start. First we have to fry the onion. Add some oil. Oil is hot now. Keep stirring until it is little brown. Now we will marinate the chicken. Add some turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. Mix it well. Keep it for 20 minutes. Turn off the gas, remove them. Let it cool, then we will make a paste. Okay, now we will make the onion paste. Do not add water. We will add some cashew nut. Here I have 1.5 tablespoon cashew nut and yogurt, 3 tablespoon yogurt. That's it. Now we will make a paste. Okay, our onion, cashew nut and yogurt paste is ready. So now what to do? We will make the masala, all the masalas with yogurt. So here turmeric powder will take, we already marinated the chicken with turmeric powder, so you don't need too much. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. We will add salt later. In the same pan, we fried the onion, so we already have almost 1 tablespoon of oil. We will add ghee. I will not add any more oil at this point. 1 tablespoon ghee. Add bay leaves, cumin seeds, whole garam masala, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon, clove, star anise and mace. Immediately we will add the onion. Keep stirring until it is brown. Now we will add ginger garlic paste. Keep stirring for a few more minutes. Now we will add the masala which we made with yogurt. Keep the flame high. Add onion, cashew nut and yogurt paste. Now we'll add tomato paste. Cover it for a few minutes. After 5 minutes, now we'll add the marinated chicken. We have to keep the flame medium and saute it for at least 7 to 8 minutes. Salt according to taste. We have to keep stirring after few minutes. Cover it after 3-4 minutes. We will check. Okay, let's check. See, the oil is separating from the masala. Now we will add some water to boil the chicken. It will take at least 20 minutes. Still keep the flame on medium. It will take 20 minutes, but we will check after 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes already. Let's check. Now we will add little bit kevda water and garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cover it and cook it for 10 more minutes. Okay, our chicken korma is ready now. That's perfect. Chicken is boiled perfectly. See? Let's serve it. Thanks for watching my recipe. Please try to make it at home and let me know. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Take care. Bye.